One of the lotteries that pays huge sum of money is the Euromillions lottery system. So this is the last results of the Euromillions lottery system, and that is the results history of the Euromillion. So based on the record that I have here and the results, we want to go through the system to see where the last results, any of these three numbers were selected from any of the events or results numbers. And that's based on that, you will be able to select the likely numbers or predict the likely numbers for today Euro Million. So let's go to first the results number 53. By we go to any results and we do not see it, then we move on to another area or result. So based on the record that I have, the number 11, the number 13, and the number which is 50. All right. So the current result drop 11, 13, 50. 11, 13, 50 from this section. Okay, so we want to select the numbers which are below it. They are the likely set of numbers. So let's select 20, 21, 26, 32, and 46. Let's select those numbers. So 20, 21, 26, 32, and 46. And if you hear any feedback, noise of a vehicle, please, sorry for that. We are close to the roadside, and that is why there is a lot of feedback. But we are trying our best to block the noise, all right? So sorry for that. So let's move on to the next, which is results number 143. Results number 143. It also dropped the number which is 11, it dropped 13, and dropped 24. All right, so the current results pick 11, 13, 24. All right, so we have 14, 21, 27, 30, 36. Let's copy those numbers. 14, 21, 27, 30, 36, 30, and 36. Okay, so these are the numbers there. Let's move on to another area, which is results number 365. Days in a year, 365. So we have, let me check. Okay, we have the number which is 11, we have 24, and we have 35. So let's see, current result 11, 24, 35. It was selected. Therefore, the numbers under it 12, 14, 15, 19, 23. Let's copy those numbers. 12, 14, including 15, 19, 15, 19, and 23. All right. The next is results number, which is 485. Results number 485. We've already made these numbers 11, 13, and 50. 11, 13, 50. 11, 13, 50. Therefore, we need to pick the numbers below. 13 as a repeated number over here, 50 as a repeated number. So 13, 29, 43, 47, and 50. So 13, 29, 43, 47, and 50. All right. So let's go to the next, which is results number 608. So results number 608. I hope you've already used this one in our previous videos. So number 13, 24, and 35. 13, 24, 35. Check. So we have 13, 24, 35 over there. So we need to select 14, 15, 16, 19, and the number 44. So 14, 15, 16, 19, and 44. All right. So let's go to another area. Let's go to another area. Let's see. Results number, which is 630. Results number 630. We have 24, 35, and 50. 24, 35, 50. Current result. So let's pick 23, 24, 26, 33, and the number 42. So 23, 24, 26, including 33 and 42. All right, let's move on to another area. We haven't finished, there are more. The results number 649. Results number 649. So 649, we have 24, we have 35, we have 50. The same three numbers also drop. Okay. So the next results. So the next result, which is 650, we have to copy the next. So let's go to the next results. Results number 650. So this results number 650. So we have single one, 22, 23, 24, and 31. So let's copy those numbers. Single one, 22, 23, 24, and 31. All right. Now, let's see. Let's go to the next, which is results number 916. We have four more to go. Results number 916. Results number 916. Results 916. We've already made these numbers 11, 13, and 50. So current results drop 11, 13, 50. So we have 1, 10, 29, 38, and 48. Remember to subscribe to this channel. When you follow this channel, you get a lot of predictions, okay? And you get a lot of keys. You get a lot of keys for Euromillions lottery. All right, Euromillions lottery. And as we move on, I will add England National Lotto to this. So the channel is new. Share our videos, like our videos, and subscribe to the channel as well. It will help you a lot. So we have the number 1, 10, 29, 38, 48. Let's copy those numbers. 1, 10, 29, 38, and 48. All right. Now let's move on to the next, which is 1362. Results number 1362. 1362. So this results number 3000, 1362. 1000, not 3000. 1362. So we have 11, 35, and 50. All right, 11, 35, 50. 11, 35, 50. Current results. Therefore, we need to pick the numbers below: single 5, 14, 38, 41, and 46. So let's copy those numbers. Single 5, is it 14, 38, 14, 38, 41, 46, 41, and 46. All right. Let's move on to the next one. We have two more to go. Let me see. 1400 and let me see. 90. 1419. Okay, results number 1419. We have the number, which is 13. We have 24, and we have 35. All right. So let's see. We have 1, 16, 24, 28, 46. Let's pick those numbers. So we have 1, we have 16, we have 24, 28, 24, 28, and 46. All right. So let's move on to the last one, which is 1,517. 1,517. Results number 1,517. So we have the number which is 11, 13, and 24. All right, so we have 1, 15, 16, 38, and 45 below. So let's copy those numbers. 1, 15, 16, 38, 45, 38, and 45. All right. So this is the entire record that we have taken for today based on the last results. All right. So based on this, now any number that has repeated here, those that have repeated twice, those that have repeated three or more, you group them, and they will be the likely set of number, likely set. And the hottest numbers, okay, the hottest numbers will be those that have repeated within the list three or more times. It will be the most hottest numbers. But those that are repeated two will also be included among those that are repeated three to be the likely set of numbers. And if the numbers reduces, that means that we can also add those that are not repeated. But first, let me do it and show to you where we will get the possible likely numbers. So based on the record that we took, the numbers that I have marked, they are those that repeated within the list, either two or more. So they are the likely set of numbers that we see here. So for today, Euro Million lottery system, these are the likely numbers: 21, 24, 46, 14, 15, 19, 23, 29, 16, 24, 71, and 38. So they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So they are 12 set of numbers, all right? That I will show you more. So please, as I told you, the channel is new. So subscribe to the channel, like the videos, and share the video. Then the numbers that I've circled, the circle numbers, the one that I've circled within the list, they are the hot numbers. So they include 38, 46, 14, 15, 23, 16, 24, and so on. So they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the 8 hot numbers for today Euro Million lottery. All right. Then the pick two numbers among this set, the very best pick two numbers, they are single 1 and 14, single 1 14, single 1 14. They are the hot pick two numbers that you can rely on. So for these numbers, if you wish, you can use the remaining numbers against these numbers, each one against this, then you take it as separate numbers. All right. So 38, and this will be one line. That is hot pick three numbers. This will be against this one. This 15 will be against, 23 will be 16, 24 against this number. If you're lucky and three numbers draw from here, definitely you get to it. Or you can perm this as your hot pick three numbers. Okay, hot pick three numbers. Perm this to try your luck. But if you don't mind any of the number that we did not mark here, okay, 32, 30, 36, 12, 13, 47, 50, 44, 32, 42, 22, 10, 31, 48. Let me see, 48. Okay, single 5, 41, and 45. Any one of them can also drop. All right. If you wish, if you can use it in your own way, just combine the remaining numbers over here, then you add it to the entire set to use it. And definitely, most often when I do this, it's used to draw four numbers and three numbers: 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3. All right. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, like the videos, and share the video. Have a good day. Bye.